Fun news for all you DIYers, or at least those who want to be. A new boutique do-it-yourself workshop is opening in the Bay Area, and here to tell us more is Megan Skelly, owner of AR Workshop in Tampa, and then Stephanie Paxton, the owner of AR Workshop in Brandon. 2 locations now opening in the Bay Area. We're super excited. Congratulations, ladies.
Thank you.
So you brought in a sample, a small sample from what I understand of what can actually be made at these workshops. But let's start with the name, because what I love about it, AR stands for what?
So it is the last name of both the women that founded this company.
And this is what I love. It's founded by women. We're using power tools. Explain what this is, because I do think it's a unique twist to kind of do it yourself and some other things that people have been to.
Yes, so basically, like I said, it was founded by 2 women, so it's both their last names, which is Anders and Ruff, and they started off with a smaller company with printables, a lot of invitations, photo shoots, and then they started this workshop and thought, this is great, let's share the amazing experience. So it's actually a franchise. So in the Tampa location in Brandon, so basically it's a boutique DIY workshop, meaning in the front of the workshop there's a retail segment of all different jewelry and home decor
Stuff that's already
gifts.
made and ready to go home.
Yep, so people can come shopping, all different jewelry, and then you can also book a workshop and come in and make something custom for your home.
Now, you had your grand opening this past weekend. We heard it was a huge success.
It was amazing.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So break it down, because people get very nervous about DIYing. I think they want to do it, but they're intimidated when you have to use drills and tools.
Right, so we make it very easy for you. You come in, everything is pre-cut in front of you. You find your seat, and you have the raw materials in front of you. You sand it, then stain it with our...
So you actually get to pick whatever's going to match your house.
And you get to pick a technique that you want to use. We'll show you how to do it. And we have non-toxic, no fume stain. It's amazing.
Great,
Is it quick? So this is stuff that you bring home that day?
That day.
Wow.
We'll show you how to assemble. Like this one that we brought is a plank tray. This is one of our favorite products that we make, and we're going to finish it with you here.
Okay, sounds good. Put me to work. I'm not having to hammer anything though, right?
So you're just going to...
Not yet. Okay.
Dab.
You can do that.
No swiping.
Yep, so you don't
swiping.
You don't want to swipe, because then it could potentially get under the stencil and it's going to not look as sharp.
I don't want to ruin anything.
Gotcha. So these stencils, and I don't know if you could tell, I'm super excited. This is actually my last name.
Yes.
So that is real quickly.
Everything is customized to you. Absolutely.
Okay. And what's really cool about the classes, from what I understand, is everyone picks up, let's say you want to go with a bunch of girlfriends, I guess guys too.
Yes.
Everyone goes home with something different, correct?
Yeah, they all pick whatever project they would like to work on.
And obviously you can customize it to your last name. You can even get fully custom, meaning if there's something on your mind that you just want that's not offered, a different design, we'll be able to accommodate that for you.
How many is there a number of how many different things? Because look, there's even pillowcases you can have specially done.
We have the pillowcases, the centerpiece boxes, plank signs, frame signs, Lazy Susans.
We have canvas wall hangings. We didn't bring one in. Oversized prints that are framed. I mean,
photo frames. We have a ton of stuff.
We have less than a minute left. Why did you ladies want to go ahead and say, you know, there's a lot of different franchises you can take part in. I mean, why go ahead and say this is what we want to dive into and do?
Well, for me, I've always been a DIYer, and I love showing people how to do it. A lot of people feel intimidated by DIY, and I think it's something that it's great to just bring to people to show them that they can do it too.
All right, so we're gonna
here
pull.
We go.
This is the big reveal.
A big reveal.
So you're gonna pull against the grain of the wood.
Okay.
And people get scared they're gonna ruin something, but really, it's just like. And rip it off.
The beauty about this style is it's meant to look rustic, so it's not supposed to look perfect either.
Absolutely.
Well, ladies, congratulations again. I love seeing these women business owners started by women here in the Bay Area. You have your grand opening coming up this weekend.
This weekend, the 28th.
So we'll put info on our website as well for you guys to go ahead and sign up. But ladies, thank you.
Thank you so much.